Lauren! Lauren!
Oh, hey, Danny.
What are you doing?
I'm painting the wall.
Well, you're not just painting the wall, you're painting everything else. You painted the grill, you painted the electrical socket, the rug, everything. This is a mess, man.
It all needed some color. It works.
It obviously doesn't work. We're now ready to paint the wall that we did the drywall repair on. As you can see, Lauren came in with a paintbrush and didn't do a very good job. So we're going to come in and do things the right way. So the first thing you're going to have to do is lay a drop sheet down because we want to make sure that no paint falls onto the floor. So first off, you're going to need some paint. Primer is usually needed whenever you do a new drywall patch, so this one is great because it acts as both a paint and a primer. I have a roller and I have a cage for my paint. I have a rag. Rags are very important. I have a small container and I have the paintbrush. And then I also have a slotted screwdriver to take off any sort of plates for switches and outlets. I got my trusty knife. I got a bit of painter's tape. Painter's tape is always green. And then I have a sanding sponge. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take off all cover plates. So using our slotted screwdriver, we're going to take off the screw. As you can see, Lauren painted over this. So with your green painter's tape, you're going to want to tape up materials you don't want to cover with paint. For example, the baseboards. So I don't want to paint the underneath of the stair railing, so I'm just going to tape that up. So you may need a ladder or a small stepping stool as well, because most walls are about 8 feet high. The next thing we're going to do is I'm taking my drywall sanding sponge and all I'm going to do is just give it a light sand. So after we're done sanding the walls, the next thing we can do is we can cut in. So cut in is basically we're going to be painting areas that the roller has trouble getting into. Now when you cut in, you want to always paint towards your last strokes. So now we're ready for some paint. So all you're going to do is take your paint can and you're going to pour it into your roller tray. And it's nice to have a rag close by so that you can wipe your can and just clean up any sort of paint that you got on the rim of the can. So once you have your paint inside your roller tray, you can dip your roller in there and you're just going to kind of work the paint into the roller. So as you can see, I'm making nice long strokes with the roller. You know, just because you're deadly doesn't mean your house has to be.
Yeah, so you might not want to move too much.
No,
so
I'll
Lauren,
try.
can you say some words?
Dana, Sandra, Danny.
Okay, those are good words.
I'm just gonna give it a little more.
Good choice.
Thank you.
We'll give you a raise.
Yes. Have you heard the